Hello, for today's video is how to create perfect Instagram profile. So the best Instagram profiles have a few things in common, including easily identifiable usernames, a recognizable profile picture, a steady stream of Instagram stories and photos, an informative yet delightful bio or link to a relevant landing page or campaign. So I have created here a new account, and here is some of the tips to make Instagram profile. So first is to make your profile public, not a private profile. To engage more people, go to your profile photo, and then on the right corner of the screen, press the three lines, and on the settings, then privacy. Then just toggle off the private account. So it will go to switch to public. Next is make sure that you have recognizable and searchable username. So for business name, it actually depends on your niche, and mine is about God, so I choose this name. Sometimes out of your control, but having a searchable username is vitally important to being found on Instagram. Most will search for whatever your business or company name is. So keeping it at as close as possible is going to be vital. So third is your profile picture. Your profile photo is the first thing any of your searchers will see that they visit your Instagram profile. Make sure it is something recognizable and of good quality. It will give your profile added more boost. Most will opt for their company logo or branding. Next is actionable and informative bio. So here you can go to edit profile. You can include your trackable links in your bio. Within your bio, include links that related to your homepage or even blogs that you're writing. Many YouTubers will use it as a chance to promote their newest videos. If you're not into YouTube, then use it to promote new content. Next is enable notifications. So you can receive updates and replies to your comments of your followers. Click the three lines in the upper right corner. Then check settings and go to your notifications. Check if it's all on. You can go here and check if the notification is on. Then next is, if you're making a post, make a use suitable hashtags. Creating the perfect Instagram profile can take time to do, and it will be dependent on the audience you are looking to attract. The two things that are clear are, firstly, the Instagram has great reach. It can really transform your business and is a great social media too. I hope that this video helps, and if you have questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.